Hello and welcome back everybody. So I don't want to allow a user to change his password. Okay. So how can I restrict him that he will not able to change his password. Okay. So how I can do that? Okay. Let's go to start bar and search here computer management. Okay. Open the computer management icon. Okay. Just click on it and it will open. Now you can see here we have user and groups option. Okay, so click on it and click on users. Here we have lots of user. We talk about test. Okay, so how can I restrict him? Okay, so just right click on it and go to properties. Okay, and here you can see uh, here you can see user cannot change password. Okay, this option. Okay, so check this option and apply and okay, and now user will not able to change the password. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel.